qualifiers. Group C, it is. The whistle blows. Haiti puts the ball in play. And here we go, the penultimate matchup. Borges flies this in. It's an excellent initial touch, finding a little bit of space in the shot attempt. So Martinez gets pushed aside by Placide. Bellegarde recovers. Bellegarde walks. How about now? Left-hand side, Casimir floats it in. Providence across. Redirected home by Pierrot. Haiti have the opener. Borges blasts it right into the waiting hands of triple digits in terms of appearances. This is a surge. This is a rolling ball in. And the redirect there. Run from Ugalde is touched wide by Placide. Lucius. Ugalde brings it in. Ugalde blast. Placide paws over the top. Two-head. It comes down. Ugalde is denied by Placide.